In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple images into one using PowerPoint. Whether you're trying to create a collage for a presentation, a personal project, or just wanting to spice up a photo arrangement, PowerPoint offers a user-friendly way to bring your images together seamlessly. Let's dive into the process and get started right away. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. By doing so, you're accessing a powerful tool that goes beyond simple slideshows. It's perfect for making creative layouts with your images. Once you've got PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation you will be working on, or simply open a new blank presentation if you want to start from scratch. Now you're going to select the pictures that you'd like to combine. To do this effectively, locate your images and click on each one while holding down the Control key on your keyboard. This will allow you to select multiple images at once without losing your current selections. It's a handy way to manage your files quickly and efficiently. Next, as you have all your images selected, look towards the upper part of the PowerPoint window. Here you'll find the Picture Format tab, which appears as soon as you click on an image. This tab is your gateway to a host of customization options designed to make your visuals more appealing. Click on the Picture Format tab to get started with editing. Once in the Picture Format tab, direct your attention to the Picture Layout option. Clicking on Picture Layout will provide a variety of layout styles that you can utilize to combine your images. This features different arrangements that transform your multiple selections into cohesive units, giving your work that professional touch. Now it's time to pick out a collage style that suits your project. As you browse through the layout options, consider how you want your final image to appear. Some layouts might give a more formal look, while others may introduce a bit more creativity and flair. Choose the one that fits your vision best and watch as your images come together. And there you have it, your photos are now arranged as a single collage. PowerPoint takes the hassle out of combining images with its intuitive tools and accessible features, allowing you to focus more on your creative vision instead of technicalities. This process can be as easy or intricate as you wish, depending on the layout and effects you choose to employ. If you followed along today, you should now have a stylish and unified image that you can use according to your needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope your new skills will bring your projects to life.